If you have been burned many times before, it can be difficult to trust again. However, if you want to form meaningful relationships with the people around you, especially your significant other, you need to learn how to trust again. Trust is one of the most important aspects of a relationship. No matter how much you love each other, without trust, that love can grow to be toxic and suffocating. Trust makes all relationships move further. That is the reason why, if you want your relationship to climb up a notch, you have to trust your partner without a shadow of doubt. No relationship is perfect. There are times when people have willfully lied to the other person for their own good. There are also times when people have become dishonest because they want to protect themselves from the anger of their partners. You might think that what somebody doesn't know won't hurt them, but the fact that you are keeping secret is already a legitimate cause for their resentment. If you want to foster the kind of relationship that lasts for a long time, you have to successfully deal with trust issues whenever they arise. To help you, there are some tips to overcome trust issue in relationship effectively. Number one, always leave the line of communication open. Communication is the key to a healthy and successful relationship. Insecurities, fears, and doubts seep in when you are unsure about the current state of your relationship. By opening the line for communication at all times, you prevent the growth of these negative feelings and reassure your partner that you are with them through thick and thin. Number two, talk about your day. Being in a relationship means that you are sharing a part of your life with your significant other. A good way to enrich your relationship is by discussing your daily life with each other. If your partner does not feel like you welcome them into your life anymore, or if they feel like they do not know what is going on with your life, they can second guess their importance to you. By simply talking about your day, you are subtly showing them that you want to involve them in your life and you want them to be part of it. Number three, do not keep secrets from them. Secrets foster distrust in a relationship. I am not talking about secrets for surprise parties or white lies that do not really affect your relationship at all. The focus here are secrets about you, your personal life, your beliefs, and your actions. Keeping such secrets from your significant other shows that you do not trust them with pieces of yourself. This breeds resentment and enforces distance between partners. To avoid such negativity, always be truthful when talking to your partner. Number 4, involve them in your inner circle. To have a healthy relationship, you need to introduce your significant other to your friends and family. You also have to actively involve them in group activities to help them feel like you want them to be belong. By introducing them to your inner circle, you ease their fears and insecurities about other people who are close to you. Number 5, try to understand them at all times. Acquiring the trust of person is not easy. To gain their trust, you need to actively show that you care about them. There are a heap of ways to show that you care, but none are the effective as being understanding and patient at all times. This shows your partner that you are serious about the relationship and you want to make it work for the long haul.